One of my favorite things about making videos is having this visual record of the way that my farm changes and transforms over the course of the year. So I'm really excited to be sitting down and putting all the pieces together to see my entire 2020 season, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. It's end of March here on the farm, so we are going to do a farm tour. March is one of the more frustrating times here on the farm because everything needs to be done yesterday and we can't actually do anything. At this point, I have been obsessively checking the weather like a crazy person, like 20 times a day, and every time I check it, it says the same thing, which is the weather is bad. The weather is not nice, it is cold. We had snow on the hills this morning, and that is an issue. We've completely lost track of the days, and then we realized April's almost over, and we haven't done an April farm tour yet. So come along, we have a lot to show you. Well, it's May. I have no idea where all of the early spring went, but we're here and it is definitely go time. The farm is looking amazing. Everything's looking amazing. It's incredible what not freezing overnight and a couple rains have done here on the farm. So we are gonna give you the whole tour. We're gonna show you all the new exciting things that we've been up to and how much is growing already. It's June here on the farm, and basically the theme of this month is we have lots of food, but nowhere to sell it.
The flowers are blooming. I've eaten my very first cherry tomato, which means it's time for the July farm tour.
It's now August here on the farm, and I can tell because look at this amazing spread that we have. So I'm going to show you where all of this stuff comes from and give you our August farm tour. These sunflowers aren't actually part of the market stand. These are destined for the compost. Welcome to the wasteland. Today I'm going to give you an apocalypse farm tour. It's mid-September here in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and the smoke has rolled up north and it is looking very 2020 here right now. Despite all the gray and the smoke, it is still full on summer production here. We have all of our summer crops going, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour of all the beautiful stuff we have before fall comes and steals it away. So stay tuned. I'm mad! Urgh! There is snow on the hills. Dun dun dun! And I do not like that. When I saw that snow, I instantly had to check my weather, and it looks like this is it. The hard frost is coming. It's gonna hit the farm here in the next day or two. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of the farm now, and then I'm gonna show you how much it changes after we get hit by that frost. Cold. You can see here, even after an entire day, it's frosty and there really isn't very much growing, but it's interesting to see the contrast. So we thought we'd take you along and show you everything that's going on the farm and some of the projects that we've been working on. Thank you so much for joining us and supporting the farm across the last year. We are super excited to be sitting here going into 2021 for all the changes and everything that's to come. So stay tuned.
Serina, are you editing this video while filming this video?
Meta!
So meta.